Why do stars twinkle? Have you ever gazed up at the stars and wondered why they twinkle? It's almost like they're winking right at you. But here's a mind-blowing fact. Stars don't actually twinkle. What's going on here? Let's uncover the science behind this enchanting phenomenon. The twinkling effect is all about Earth's atmosphere. As starlight travels to us, it passes through layers of moving air. These air layers bend and scatter the light in different directions, making the stars appear to shimmer or twinkle. It's a cosmic light show created by nature. But wait, if stars twinkle, why don't planets? Unlike stars, planets appear as tiny disks of light instead of single points. This makes their light steadier, as the effects of atmospheric distortion are less noticeable. Another fun mystery solved by science. The next time